How to make restaurant quality French fries in your 5.5 liters glass air fryer. Open the detachable drawer pot and evenly spread 320 grams of frozen French fries inside. No pre-aw thawing needed. With 8 versatile menus at your fingertips, select the fries preset. Adjust the temperature to 200 C and set the timer for 15 minutes. Peek through the 360 clear view window anytime. See your fries transformed into golden perfection without opening the lid. Halfway through, grab the heat-resistant handle to pull out the drawer and flip the fries. The ergonomic design keeps your hands safe from burns. The exterior stays cool to the touch, but be careful around the glass windows. Never touch it directly during cooking. Once done, place the glass basket on a heat-resistant mat to avoid damaging your tabletop. Grilled evenly with an enticing coloring effect. Pinch it out and enjoy. Don't miss the latest product consultation. Welcome to Inquire.